Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to live transcribe function using our buttons, up and down volume buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up our shortcut we have to go to settings, then we're looking for accessibility options here, and under advanced settings we have our shortcuts, volume up and down buttons. Right now we have some notifications, but let's turn it off and let's use live transcribe. So let's see if our shortcut is working. So volume up and volume down, hold for 3 seconds. And here it is, our live transcribe is working. Our shortcut works as well. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.